Hello children, let us discuss second type of construction where you are given two diagonals and three sides of a quadrilateral. Okay. Again, in the last lecture I told you how to identify the diagonals from the name of the quadrilateral. Quadrilateral DEFG is given. So this is one diagonal and this is another diagonal. DF is one diagonal and EG is another diagonal. So you are given DF and EG. And the three sides of the triangle are also given to you. Now, in order to make construction easier, we should first draw a rough figure, and out of the three sides, the middle of the given sides should be taken as the base. What I mean, let me explain. Suppose I draw a rough figure like this. Okay. Let me mark three given sides and the diagonals. Diagonals, this is one diagonal, this is given to you, this is another diagonal, this is also given to you. And the three sides are DE, this side is given, this side is given, this side is given. This side lies between the two given sides. Out of the three sides, the side which lies in the middle of the other given sides. So these two sides are given and this is in the middle of the two. That should be taken as the base. Okay. Then what will we do? With this as the base, we will get point D using this side and this diagonal. And we will get point G using this side and this diagonal. So again it is construction of two triangles only. Okay. One triangle like this, another triangle like this, join D with G, you get a quadrilateral DEFG. So let us start. Okay. What did I say? Draw the rough figure. Most important thing I am repeating. Draw the rough figure. In the rough figure, out of the three given sides, the side which lies in the middle, this side, lies in the middle of the other two sides. That should be taken as the base. Then your construction becomes very, very easy. So what I am going to do, EF, how much is the length of EF? 5 centimeters because it is the middle side. So I will draw EF of length 5 centimeters. So out of the 4 vertices, I have got 2. Now I need 2 more. Okay. DEFG. So EF I have got. Now I want to get D and G. In order to get point D, I should use sides or the lengths containing vertex D. So where is vertex D? Here you have vertex D. And where is another one? Here you have vertex D. So if I use these two, DF, so DF is this and DE, DE is this. With these two, you can get vertex D. Again, the construction is as simple as earlier. Let me get my rounder. Where is my rounder? It is misplaced. It is here. Okay, so DF distance is 7 centimeters. So from the scale, now if this distance I have taken is 5 centimeters, 7 centimeters will be definitely longer. So let me approximately take 7 centimeters as this much of distance. Okay, what is my target point? D. So if I want to get D, I have to keep my compass on point F. So I'll keep on F and wherever is the possible position according to my rough figure. According to my rough figure, D will come here. So in that direction, I will draw the arc. Okay. So first arc to be drawn must always be longer. Must always be longer. Okay. Now the second length which I am going to use is DE. This I have used. This also I have used. DE is 6 centimeter. So I'll take the distance of 6 centimeter. This is 5. Okay. This distance is 5, so 6 will be slightly longer. So this is 5, 6 is, let us say, this much. Okay. Then, again, where should we keep the rounder? Other than the target point. Target point is D. So I should keep my rounder on E. My required point is D. In order to get D, I have to draw the arc from E. So from E, whatever radius I have taken, I am going to draw the arc of that length. So this is point D. Join D with E. Join D with F. This is 7 centimeters. This is 6 centimeters. Okay. Now, because it is drawn by freehand, accuracy may not be there, but the steps of constructions are absolutely right. So, now I have got point D also, E also, F also. Now, my only point left is G. So, in order to get G, I should use the sides containing vertex G. So, this is one and this is another one. Okay, so let us take this much of distance, that is 6.1 centimeters, and draw the arc from point E. 6.1. If this is 6, if this distance is 6, 6.1 will be slightly longer, so I took 6.1. And from where I am supposed to draw the arc? From point E. Towards which side? Not on this side, not on this side. Wherever I am expecting the possible position of point G. Once you draw the rough figure, you know that G will lie on this side. So the arc also should be drawn in the possible position. Okay. Now, this is used. This segment is left. It contains point G. It contains point G. And arc to be drawn should be from point F. What is the length? 4 centimeters. So this is 5. 4 will be smaller than this. So this much distance I have taken. This is the radius in the rounder is 4 centimeters. My target point is G. Required point is G. So I will keep the rounder on point F and draw the arc. So from point F, I draw the arc. Okay. Wherever they intersect, that is my point G. Join G with F. Join G with E. Write their lengths. Okay. This is 6.1 centimeters. This is 4 centimeters. Where is the quadrilateral? Unless you join D with G, you will not get a quadrilateral. So that should be done. Join D with G and you get a complete quadrilateral DEFG. Now, what is the most important thing which you have to remember for this construction is that out of the 3 given segments, out of the 3 given sides, the side which lies in the middle of the other 2, you can draw the figure the way you want. Suppose you draw a rough figure this way, okay, and you write D here, E here, F here, and G here. But when you give the marks for given sides, so what is given to you? DE, this is given. Then you are given EF. Then you are given FG. So which lies between the given two? Between these 2 given sides, this side lies. So the middle side should be taken as the base, and then the other 2 points can be obtained using the diagonals and these given sides. So it is very simple. Just remember that the middle side should be drawn as the base. Thank you, children.